Hi everyone, this is Christian from Universal Retail Systems with a new video on the TScale T-28. This video is going to cover how to use Tare, how to change the unit, and how to turn off the backlight. So starting with basics, we're going to start off with Tare. We're putting our container, and then we're going to press Tare. Now when we take off our container, the Tare will be there. Now let's put our container on, and let's put an object inside. Now we're going to get our weight. Now, if we were to measure and reset the Tare by pressing the Tare button again, we will see that our item will weigh the same. Now, to change the unit from pounds to ounces to grams to kilograms, all we have to do is press and hold the Tare unit button. Here we'll see that the item has changed to ounces. Now it's kilograms. Now it's grams. And finally back to pounds. To turn off the backlight, all you have to do is press and hold the 0 button. Now we will see BL on. You will have 3 options: BL on, BL automatic, BL off. Since we want to turn it off, we're going to select BL off by pressing 0 again. Now the backlight is off. When we turn off the scale and turn it back on, we'll see that the scale has the backlight off. And just like that, that is how you use the TScale T-28.